I'm Gideon from Kitty Creation, and I'm going to show you how to make claw. Today, we're going to make the Incredible Hulk. So, starting with the head. Eyes. And I'm going to do like a nose thing. And an angry face. Now some ears. Now some hair. And then some pointy hair right here. And now I'm gonna do his belly. And now I'm gonna do his pecs. Now abs. I'm gonna do some like lines. I'm gonna do it on this side. Now I'm gonna do a line. And now I'm gonna do some circles. Because he's like kind of angry. That's why I do like. And now we'll do some circles. This is really strong. I'm gonna do this. And I'm gonna do some pointies or pants or shorts or whatever they're called. And I'm going to do some pointy lines again. I'm going to do some lines again. And now we're going to do kind of like muscles kind of again. Now I'm going to erase it because it's too small. I'm going to do the pointy thing again. Now I'm going to do this again. Now 4 lines again. And now I'm going to get some purple and I'm going to color it in. I'm going to do some shading on this. It's not going to look at the same color again. Well, kind of. And now I'm going to do some green. You can't see the blue when I see those circles. Those are just his toes. Now I'm gonna get some black. And I'm gonna do some black eyes. So like the shading stuff. This is how I shade. This is add dimension. So I'm gonna get a new purple and I'm gonna kind of shade it. It's kind of darker. And now I'm gonna get darker green like this and add it to his hair a little bit, just a little bit, not so much. I'm gonna do like he broke a building kind of. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Find me on Facebook where you can suggest future content. And thanks for all for giving me suggestions. And tell me, what do you want me to draw? And to show me what you have created. Just like my cousin Eleanor, who made Batman for my previous episode. And I want to say thanks to all my followers. See you in my next video. Hulk's rush. Thanos did this. And we don't know what to do. I broke it. But that's in my previous videos. Why do you? And don't forget to subscribe. The time smashing stuff again. For your suggestions. That's literally it. Only Hulk. I'm always hungry. You know. Thanks. And don't forget to show me your feet. Back up. What else? Oh, I'm so tired of saying all these stuff. Moo.